forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama telling you this. Hey, ja. Wanna better have some respect and manners. See the Asian them and give them honors.
Respect and manners.
Yes,
Nothing wrong with
they
that.
always say, two little simple thing can carry you through the world. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, then love will come to you. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, and I know Jah will see you through.
Nice move. Beautiful.
Hey boy, man, let's go.
That is a tour. And more. We have the score. Blue Lagoon settings.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, datmisehtv. Can you see Outlaw in the background there? Yes. So guys, we are in Portland and we are at Winnifred Beach. Winnifred Beach, alright? Now this is actually my first time at Winnifred Beach. I've done Frenchman's Cove, but this is my first time at Winnifred Beach. And yeah, it's beautiful as expected. The great thing about this beach is it's a public beach, alright? So unlike Frenchman's Cove where you have to pay, this is free. But they do ask for like a small contribution to help to keep it clean. You know, the local people here that keep the beach clean and everything, they ask for a small contribution to keep the beach clean, like $5 US. But it's a free beach and it's beautiful. Now from here, you probably would have just seen the boat. Now, we were meant to be dropping our passengers. We've got some guests to Blue Lagoon, right? But the Blue Lagoon entrance, original entrance, is closed because they're doing some refurbishment work. So what you do now, you come down to Winnifred Beach, and the tour starts from Winnifred Beach instead, which is nice because you get the beach and the tour, right? Yeah, so our customers have just gone on the boat down to Blue Lagoon and to enjoy their tour, yeah? But guys, we're gonna take in Winnifred Beach. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Yeah, what you can expect if you come here. It is absolutely beautiful, guys. Yeah, here we go. And here we are, so, yeah. And around you've got little bars and stuff like that. You can buy your drinks. Here's the boat. Yeah. So the boat's been down there. So the picture could really good. The separate people are separate. In the river. See it. Yeah. Water feels real good. This is it, guys. Like I said, this is my very first time to Winnifred Beach. It definitely won't be my last. Like I said, this is a public beach. That's what I love. You don't have to pay. Frenchman's Cove, as beautiful it is, you have to pay $1,800. But this, like I say, it's a free beach. And they just asked for us a very small contribution. The locals that help to keep the beach clean, and I don't see anything wrong with that. But look, beach all the way down. And then around you've got like little bars around the place, bars. You can buy your drinks. And stuff like that, yeah. And I'm just enjoying this water. The water is warm. It's so warm. Yeah. Oh guys, I could do this all day long. Alright, let me give you some information about the new prices for Blue Lagoon, alright? Because it's certainly gone up a bit since the last time I was here. for the Blue Lagoon, I think the last time I came and did it, it was about $3,000 each. It's now $6,000 per person from here, from Winnifred Beach. And you do 5 stops, all right? So there's 5 stops along the way. Of course, they give you the historical tour or talk about the Blue Lagoon. And they show you, you know, all like the famous people's houses. Yeah. But they do 5 stops along the way. And then, of course, you get to go to the famous Monkey Island. And we featured Monkey Island in the vlog before, actually. I might link that video in the description. Monkey Island is a very, very small island off the Blue Lagoon. Yeah, a little sandy island. You can stop there, you can swim in the water there. It's really beautiful. But yes. So, it's about $6,000 per person, Monkey Island. No thanks. So yes. So that man just tried to sell me a painting. Yeah. So look what else you got, guys. You can get a Swedish massage if you so feel. That guy there selling painting. Swedish massage. Yes. Oh, just serenity. Yeah. Walk down to the bottom and walk back up again. Let's swing over there. Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna walk back up. So that's where I started from. Yeah. Yes guys, Winnifred Beach. Winnifred Beach. Remember guys, we do tours, so if you want this to be, if you want to put this on your bucket list and this is the place you want to visit when you come to Jamaica, just say, Outlaw and Deezer, please take us to Winnifred Beach, or that place that you showed on your channel. You know we'll take you here. Yeah. This is my favourite part about being in Jamaica, like just coming to places that I've never been before, just enjoying it. Yeah. The blue look at the boat's gone around there. Alright, let's go find Outlaw. Let's see what he's up to. I wonder if he come and dip his foot in the water. I doubt it. It's just the simple things, people. Guys, it's just the simple things. It's just the simple things. It's just the simple things, guys. The simple things. Yeah. The simple things. Just to walk along the beach shore. Oh my gosh. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Yeah. Alright, let's find Outlaw. Alright, here's Mr. Outlaw. The water feels so good. The water's warm.
Just like down south.
Yeah, you need to, honestly, the water is so good. Honestly,
That's well.
water's nice and warm, man.
Nothing wrong with that.
I walked in the water all the way down.
Yeah, I see you going on the
Come
road.
up, yeah, man.
That's what my name. Welcome to Dorins, Yammins and Jammins. And people in deal with famines. These are when you show them that for me. Right, yeah.
Dorines, yeah, there it is. Look, the Dorines, Yammins and Jammins. Good name, right?
Them not deal with famine. So, yeah, it works.
So, are you going to go in the water?
No.
Guys, he won't take off his Crocs and socks. He won't take them off.
The Crocs have nothing to do with salt water.
Well, you can take them off.
No.
Okay, well that's that thing.
Yeah, it's my white socks. So we just come for that.
Anyway, I was just saying this is my first time at this beach. Probably won't be my last. And it's a free beach. It's a public beach as well, which is good. So the public can, you know, utilise it, get access. There's a small fee.
Yeah.
Just for, you know, because they maintain it, keep it clean, which you don't mind paying.
Beautiful.
But the fact that this is a free beach, let's hope it stays that way and it's not taken away. Because, you know, our free beaches are becoming less and less. So, you know. And this is beautiful. It's beautiful here.
Yeah, the lagoon is under some construction. So we know what's going on right around there. So, yeah. Winnifred Beach, you reach. Yes, my people. Manners and prayers. Outlaw drive the vehicle. Yeah, Winnifred Beach. So we things set up on the side there. Nice things that go on the side there. What let me say, you know. Crazy amount. Watch there. It's a dog chilling because he's willing. Right there, Winnifred. Yes. Hustling on the beach and all these things. When I put them little things together. Yeah. See all them things. Look at the straw, hat and mats and all these things. Beautiful. Winnifred Beach, yeah man on the side, you know. Crazy towel. Yeah. Crazy towel, like a Jamaica one day. Pretty. Everything about Jamaica pretty. I'm going to tell you. It works. A chicken in a jerk. Winnifred. Everybody alive. Not bad, not dead. It's my clients who come in, you know. Yeah, and go on the boat ride. See them a rope in there. Yeah. I'm coming in right there. Yeah, that's my peeps. Yeah, go for a ride and back. Right there. Yeah, man, I think good. Like it should. Nice cruise. Everything alright, nothing no bruise. Peace will arrive, you know. Yeah, them there. Yeah, them prayer. Winnifred Beach. Round there we reach. These are cool out, watch out.